Today, I'm going to show you how to build a responsive footer with Elementor container in WordPress. This is a powerful way to create a professional-looking footer that automatically adapts to different screen sizes, ensuring your site looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the back end of your website where you manage all your content and design elements. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools necessary to create your custom footer. Next, navigate to Templates, then select Theme Builder from the drop-down menu. The Theme Builder is Elementor's feature that allows you to design different parts of your website, including headers, footers, and other template sections. This is where the magic happens for creating site-wide elements that appear consistently across your pages. Now click on Add New at the top of the screen. This button opens up the template creation interface, giving you a blank canvas to work with. You're essentially telling WordPress that you want to create a brand new template element from scratch. When the template type dropdown appears, go ahead and select Footer. By choosing this option, you're specifying that the template you're building will function as the footer section of your website. This ensures it appears at the bottom of your pages and follows footer-specific behaviors. However, here's something important you need to know. Before you can actually build a responsive footer using Elementor's container feature, you must upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor has limited functionality when it comes to theme building, and the Theme Builder feature, which includes custom footer creation, is exclusively available in the Pro version. Elementor Pro unlocks advanced design capabilities, including the responsive container element that makes creating flexible, mobile-friendly footers much easier. And that's the process for setting up a responsive footer with Elementor container in WordPress. Once you have Elementor Pro activated, you'll be able to fully utilize the container system to build a footer that looks professional and responds beautifully across all devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.